Hey gut feelers, in this video we're going to talk about digestive enzyme supplements. All about this, you've been asking a lot of questions, and we're going to go into the 3 most commonly made mistakes when it comes to digestive enzymes. Mistake number 1 when it comes to digestive enzyme supplements is that a lot of my clients, before they come working with me, they take those for years. And what they do is they do not heal your body, but they cover up symptoms. So it's actually more difficult for you to address the root cause. Why you're suffering from constipation, malabsorption, wherever you take them, bloating, digestive pain. So mistake number 1, taking digestive enzymes in order for you to cover up and to cope with symptoms only without healing the root cause. Mistake number 2. Now I understand that digestive enzyme supplements can be helpful as short-term relief. However, there are much better natural ways which do not come out of a capsule to help you really heal the root cause and boost your digestive system long term. The biggest problem with taking digestive isolated enzymes is that they can weaken your overall digestive system and actually can throw off the balance in your gut, especially, and this brings us to mistake number 3, especially if you keep eating a suboptimal diet. Mistake number 3 when it comes to digestive enzyme supplements is to keep on eating a diet that depletes your stomach acid, your good stomach acid, your enzymes, and also your bile production that comes from your liver, which is important for the fat digestion. So in order for you to heal your digestive discomfort, whatever you have, whatever the reason is why you take those digestive enzymes, is you're going to eliminate, really important, you're going to eliminate any foods that put a lot of stress on your digestive system. And food number 1 is animal products in general. Animal meat, dairy products, eggs, all of those, they are not just heavy to be digested and need a lot of digestive enzymes because they don't have any. They're also high in fat, high in protein, which is more difficult to digest, and they feed any pathogens, any H. pylori that you have overgrowing in your stomach, candida, streptococcus, Epstein-Barr, whatever is happening in your body and that actually triggers any food intolerances, constipation, pain, digestive discomfort, bloating, all of those foods, they actually feed those pathogens. If you want to learn more, I'm going to link up a video here for you that you can watch with more information. Now guys, having said all that, don't want to leave you in hanging here and just tell you digestive enzyme supplements are BS. I want to also give you something that you can do instead. Now, changing your diet to foods that are nutrient dense and that are enzyme rich. So nutrient dense and enzyme rich are usually raw foods that come from plants or fruits. For example, leafy greens, any kinds of vegetables, fresh vegetables, and fruits. For example, a banana comes with their own digestive enzymes. So as soon as the cells of the fruit or the vegetable are crushed, basically the food starts digesting themselves. This is why it's so easy for the stomach and for your small intestine and for your large intestine to digest those foods, because they come nutrient loaded, they come with food defectors which help absorb those nutrients, and they come with their own digestive enzymes. So make sure you bring some greens, you bring some fruits into your diet. Overall takeaway from this video is that you do not need those digestive enzyme capsules if you know a few hacks what you can do instead. And that's exactly what I'm giving to you right now. Number 1 of those hacks is doing lemon water shots before a meal. 15 minutes before a meal, press half a lemon into water and drink that. Just a little bit of water, press this lemon in there, drink it before the meal, and that will help to increase the bile production and help to get the digestive juices flowing. Another hack is using papaya seeds. Guys, instead of just eating the papaya, if you can get any, also eat the seeds. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day are amazing because they are enzyme bombs, literally. And they are antibacterial and antiviral, so actually help your digestive system and not just cover up symptoms. If you suffer from digestive pain and cramping, bring in raw ginger. Not just the ginger tea, but actually chewing raw ginger. I showed that in several of my live videos. If you want to watch them, I link a few down below. Chewing a half thumb size of peeled ginger on one side quickly to crush the enzymes and then drink water helps immensely with pain relief, usually within 30 minutes or less. Then we also got pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, which is also an enzyme that helps a lot with protein digestion and often actually is as an extract in those digestive enzymes as well. And last but not least, of course guys, we have celery juice. Celery juice, already the digestive enzymes that are in celery juice, we're not even talking about the cholesterol salts which help to restore your stomach acid and the antibacterial and antiviral components, but just the digestive enzymes in celery can help to rebuild your stomach and rebuild your overall microbiome, your gut, to absorb nutrients better in the future. It's important to do celery juice on an empty stomach, and it should be 16 ounces of juice. Not smoothie, not just a little bit, and not just crunching one celery. Celery juice is really like a medicine. I'll link you more information down below if you want to go in depth about this. Let me know if those tips about digestive enzyme supplements make sense for you. Just hit a yes down in the comments below.